Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Roblox Hunt. To begin, navigate to the official event hub, usually found on the main Roblox game page. This hub serves as your central guide, showcasing all participating games and your progress. The Hunt is a special, limited-time event where you explore diverse experiences, completing unique challenges to earn exclusive badges. These badges are your key to unlocking fantastic in-game rewards. Once you are in a participating game, look for the distinctive event icon or a non-player character who will guide you. Each game presents a unique challenge, which could be a puzzle, a quest, or a minigame. Your goal is to successfully complete this task. Upon finishing, you will automatically receive a special badge, signifying your accomplishment within that specific experience. Collect as many as you can. All the badges you collect are meticulously tracked on the official event hub. As you gather more badges, you will reach specific milestones, each unlocking a new tier of fantastic rewards. These prizes often include exclusive avatar items, unique gear, and stylish accessories to personalize your character. Remember to visit the event hub regularly to claim your well-deserved prizes directly from its user-friendly interface. For a smoother experience, consider starting with games that offer simpler challenges to build your badge count quickly. Don't hesitate to team up with friends. Many quests are more enjoyable and easier to complete with a group. Always keep an eye on the event hub for any new challenges or important updates. If you get stuck, look for in-game hints or consult community guides for assistance with particularly tricky badges. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.